everybody. Welcome to Network Connection. My name is Roni. Today I have the pleasure to talk with David Jin. David is a mortgage lender with Cardinal Financial in Austin, Texas. Hey, David, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
I'm excellent. All right, so let's jump right in. So, David, tell us, what is it that you do?
Yeah, so I'm a mortgage lender out in the Austin area. Just coming into the business, we realized there wasn't a big presence in the greater Austin area. So I've been tasked to build a team out here pretty much. And my major focus is to really focus on the clients, right? To make the home buying process simple. Because I hate seeing, home buyers, fulfilling their dreams of buying a new home and then having the daunting task of getting a loan. I want to make it very simple and easy for our clients going through that process.
Absolutely. Well, buying a home is the biggest expense you'll ever have in your life, and might as well have somebody that will help you with that. Quite confusing, and some people really do need help with that. So aside from, really trying to take a client, hand in hand, is there something more specific about you or your approach for this whole process that sets you apart from other lenders?
Yeah, that's a great question. Like yourself, myself, anyone else, we're all consumers. And just being in the customer facing industry for the past 20 plus years, the biggest thing is the experience, right? And my biggest pet peeve is if someone's helping me and I call them and for whatever reason I get their voicemail, that they don't call me back in a timely fashion. So my big thing is the experience, which means if you call me, I'm going to pick up the phone. If you email me, I'm going to email you back. But as the mortgage loan officer, I'm going to be your point of contact. There's no reason why you should contact a processor or funder. Like, you should be able to contact me and I should be able to deliver, some type of answer in a very timely fashion.
Absolutely. That is excellent. So let me ask you this. I think you and I talked a little bit earlier. How long have you been in business?
Yeah, so I've been in the mortgage business a total of about 9 years now. So I was in the mortgage business in the early 2000s. And then
when
this
we
is
had the
kind
first
of my
bubble burst?
Yes. And this is now my second stint. So I've been back in the business probably for another about 4 months now.
All right. So let's give it a little bit. Let's talk about COVID-19. Obviously, it's a very weird world, but how have you guys been feeling? How are you guys doing?
Business has been good. I think it's twofold, right? So, with COVID-19 and just everyone having the flexibility to work from home, right? I think a lot of people, home buyers are gravitating towards Austin, right? And also people who are currently residing in Austin are looking to upgrade just because of the work from home. And also, students going remotely. There's that aspect of it. And then the other piece of it is the interest rates are historically low. So I'm getting a lot of
free money.
Yes. So I'm getting a lot of business through just normal refinances and some cash outs as well for home improvements.
Nice. So do you have like a favorite customer service story?
Yeah. So it was just recent, actually. And my favorite story is when people get to save a lot of money.
Yeah.
So I worked on a deal for a lady who actually lives in the subdivision next to mine. And she has a great house. She moved here about 3 years ago. She, unfortunately had PMI attached with the original note.
Okay.
And so not only did I get her a lower interest rate, but obviously we knocked off that PMI. So on a monthly basis, I was saving her over $500 a month.
Wow, that's a lot of money. That's awesome.
Yeah. And since then, she has referred me 3 customers because of that.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
so it's been
awesome.
fantastic.
So David, everything sounds amazing. Would you mind sharing with us what is the best way to reach you?
So yeah, I could be reached at my office line. The number is 512-377-1956. Or I can be reached via email as well. The email address is david.jin@cardinalfinancial.com. And you spell my last name, Jin, as in Nancy, at cardinalfinancial.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, David. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching.